Now to install this, it's pretty simple. Okay, we're going to install the spring. We're going to install this piece, and eventually we're going to want to see that piece in there. But let's go ahead and install these, the 3 ball bearings. As you could see, it presses in there. So what we want to look for when it presses in, we want to make sure that hole comes lined out right there, so that pin will go through it. Okay, so then we install the dog clutch back on and make sure the hole right here lines up with this. So you might have to spin it on a couple times. Oh, that's not it. There we go. So you can see, should be lined up in there. Alright, turn it upside down. And then we're going to put the pin back in it. Okay, pin goes in it. And we're going to have to press down. See if we can get that to go. Hold up. It's not fully lined up there. So you want to make sure that hole is sort of lined up there. So as soon as you put this back on, you press down, put a little bit of pressure on it, and make sure that this is straight. The dog clutch is straight on here. Let's try that again, but that's not straight. Like I said, you have to spin around a couple times here to make, there we go. Make sure that that hole lines up with that slot, with that hole right there. Okay. Take the pin. Let's put the pin in there. And then just look for that spring. There we go. And there you have it. It's all the way back in. Now we're going to take this, put it up over that, and then just work it on exactly how we took it off. Just spin it around. In the circle here. Now when you get it back in, just make sure that everything is flush and you don't have one of these overlapping the other. And that's pretty much it, but just remember, be careful, because that will slide out. And then you'll be chasing ball bearings all over the floor. Alright, hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe.